Security patches, as a name itself signifies, they are related to security of the site. If we do not perform those and apply those security patches in a timely fashion, there has been instances in Magento ecosystem where the most notorious malware that I can remember of is a BizBot, where the malware injected itself in the checkout process, stole credit card, will screenshot and upload those credit card, and those credit cards will be, distributors, sold, used at various web properties. We have had few merchants back in the day. It was very notorious virus, caught a little late until it infected thousands and thousands of big popular merchants. The side effect of that was, first of all, salvaging that and recovering from that required a lot of money. Whenever a malware injects itself, SQL injection happens, to recover from it, it's a lot of challenge. The site is taken down for sometimes weeks, so your business goes to standstill. The customers whose credit card was stolen, the monitoring service has to be bought for a year at least. So just imagine if you have 1 million records in your database and you're paying $100 per customer, or even $50 per site, monitoring the amount of money that you'll have to pay for coming out of that situation. There's lawyers and fees involved. You're a few $1 million down if you don't apply the security patches. It is not worth it to try and save monies on those maintenance activities.